And once again, I have to thank the organizers who invited us to be here on this special gathering of, as I saw, public and it's gathering of graphic artists, curators, artists, just the people who shapes the world of our ecosystem. So it's really special event, a really special gathering. So thanks once again. I want to say about a few words about myself. As Veronica just said, I am a director of Cultural Center in Trebinje in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and also I'm an artist. So artist and director is not a common situation in Bosnia and Herzegovina, especially because be director of public institution is something that is reserved for people who have ambition in political life. I don't have it, and I'm an artist who is director, so it's not usual thing in Bosnia. On the other hand, I have to say that director likes to be artist, but artists don't want to be director, so it's internal fight inside me, so it's not easy. In my daily life, on my daily basis, I have to plan different events in the field of culture. It's easy part, but not easy part is to be administrative for different kind of laws, procedures, etc. So it's not easy part. And I want to say that I have some experience in the implementation of the projects. I led projects that are funded by Creative Europe program, IPA Cross Border Program Corporation, etc. So before this one program that is funded by UNESCO, we just finished a huge project for Creative Europe. It was called Reculture. We have to rebrand 4 institutions in the Western Balkans. We have to rebrand starting from logos, and we finished with special design. It was very huge project. It cost Creative Europe about 1 million euros. So we rebranded 4 institutions in Western Balkans. It was a Museum of Contemporary Art in Banja Luka. Another one is a Memorial Center Pavle Beljanski from Novi Sad, one colony of sculptures in Montenegro, and Cultural Center. So it was very complicated process for Cultural Center because we had to deal with 8 designers, 4 mentors. We have to choose young designers, choose mentors, and starting point was analyzing things in those 4 institutions and finish it with special designs and everything that is visible of that institution. So we just finished it and we started this one. That is not so huge for Cultural Center project, but it's very special for us because Cultural Center, I have to say just a few words about that institution because it's very special one. It is an institution that is registered on local level but have a very big impact in Bosnia and Herzegovina and in the region. Cultural Center is a public institution that is located in the center of the city. And Trebinje is a small town, but is the southest town in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and very sunny, sunniest city in the region. We have 275 sunny days in over the year, and it's located just near Dubrovnik at Herceg Novi. Dubrovnik is 30 kilometers from Trebinje. Herceg Novi is also. So Cultural Center has a great tradition because building of Cultural Center building was built in 1969, I think. And from that point, we have just one mission to provide cultural events for cities of Trebinje. So during the year, we have 700 manifestations or events that we organized in the town. And inside of cultural center, there is 3 art galleries, theater, cinema. We have 30 employees, so it's a very, very big institution, local institution. This is inside view. This is a cinema and a theater hall. And after we did analysis in the city, we make strategic focus areas. One is cultural management to increase cultural management efficiency, support local artists, because we think that we are mainly here for Trebinje artists to try to make much stronger development in the creative industry fields. There is 2 events that I want to talk about today. That is Super Exposure Campus for Contemporary Art and Photography. Another one is Trebinje Jazz Festival. Despite that, we organized 700 events. So Super Exposure is one event that is very special because it's part of the project blending, and it's campus that is very unique. Every year we publish open call for young artists, and we can just select 15 artists, young artists, to be present at the campus. But interest for that campus it's very huge. We have application over the 100 every year, and we select 15 young artists. And we have 5 mentors who work with them. That mentors are mainly connected with Academy of Fine Arts. And in the past years, Misha Kubal was one of the mentors. Miljan Vuković, Patrick Vak. Those people are represent their countries in the Venice Biennale over the year. So super exposure is also a term that is connected with is term from photography. I think that photographers knows what is super exposure or super exposicija. It's a situation when a sensor and camera receives too much light. So photography just became useless and not good anymore. But it's very special situation in Trebinje because it's very sunny. You have to deal with super exposure. So that's why we call it Super Exposure Campus. And another one, as I said, is Trebinje Jazz Festival. Trebinje Jazz Festival is a very unique event because we try to connect jazz players and bands with special unique places, cultural heritage spaces in the Trebinje city, because Trebinje has a huge amount of cultural heritage sites. I think that 70% of all cultural heritage in Bosnia and Herzegovina is located in Trebinje. So it's a very special city in that way, and we try to connect bands and the music with those sites. And we assemble stage in one place, disassemble it after the concert, and assemble it in the other place in the other evening. So we have 5 concerts, actually 5 stages, and we move it every night in a different way. So this is atmosphere from the Trebinje Jazz. And super exposure. As you see, it's very sunny.
It's like on our roof up there.
Yeah, it's on the roof on the cultural center. Yeah.
If the sunset is the same.
Maybe you should organize super exposure, like some part of the super exposure. And why blending? As I said, blending is a project that is not too big for the cultural center. It's not too complicated for organizing, but we have a problem with 4 festivals around Trebinje. One is Super Exposure that we just managed. Another one is Fluid Festival in Montenegro, graphic design festival. Third one is PDP conference in Novi Sad, and fourth one is PDP conference in Sarajevo. So we just thought how to increase our knowledge, knowledge of the festivals in the field of management, in the field of PR, in the field of how to deal with administration and different kind of complicated things. So we try to make some kind of networking or platform to help each other in that way. So, as I said, Cultural Center is lead partner, and we managed these partners. So we open another public hall, and we select young designers, photographers, and artists who try to deal with different topics. And we choose 3 topics for 3 exhibitions. One was a topic called Bubble. Another one was, I think, that Anna Matic from Fluid chose to deal with a topic called Promise Me Future. And another one was V16 from the PDP. So we all created some kind of different exhibitions and put it in one place and try to see it from the view a common visitor. So yes, we did 3 thematic exhibitions, 4 creative residencies. We deal with and work with 32 participants. All of them was young artists. We have 3 workshops, regional awards. We choose 3 best artists in every exhibition. So we have also we had 60 festival presentations. This is atmosphere from thematic exhibitions. It was very cheerful, public. Creative residencies, workshops, regional awards. As I said, we tried to create some kind of platform that was a tool for all 4 festivals. And after we finished this project, we realized that we achieved that moment that we can use tools that can help us in management festivals. This is not cheerful presentation as previous ones because I have to present blending project. Is a little bit bored, but and this is why it was matters for us. We realized after we finished project that we can adapt it, we can spread it, and network it can be increased to another region with. Another festivals, it can be copied to another region. Mobility of young artists is also was very important for us because Bosnia and Herzegovina is limited with borders. Near Trebinje we have 2 borders. And also very near third one, we have a border with Croatia, we have a border with Montenegro, and we have a border with Serbia. We have to make effort to bring cultural events or some kind of art projects to Trebinje or expose them in the Montenegro. It's a very difficult situation. So we realized that mobility of young artists is very important. Is something that we achieved through this project, and we managed somehow to make ability much more to make artists much more mobilized, mobility in this sector. And collaboration between festivals, something that is starting and finishing point, and we can stay together.